Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create a course. To get started, open the main section, Content, and open the Courses page. Here, click Create Course. First, add a title for your course. After that, you can start building your content by adding either a lesson or a quiz. Let's add a lesson. Give it a name. Create. You can add content manually, import it from Google Documents, or use our AI assistant to help generate content for you. I already have prepared materials, so I'll just simply pass them into the lesson. Done. Here you can also add different types of media. To see all available content options in more detail, please check out our other useful videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to save your content and publish the lesson once you're done. After that, you can move on to the course settings to configure additional options. I also recommend watching our other videos which explain all course settings and team access in detail. Let's upload a cover. Once your course is fully set up and all required content is added, you can publish the course directly from here, or you can save your progress and go back to the course homepage and publish it from there. So how does the course look from the learner's side? Your learners will see the course structure, lessons, and progress in a clean and easy-to-use interface. I hope that helped, and good luck with your academy!